Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you the new TrendMood box that was just released, and I've had it for a few days, but I wanted to try these products before I filmed it. If you guys are familiar with TrendMood, they show all the different brand new makeup that is going to be released, but they also have on Instagram a page for TrendMood box. And those boxes is not a subscription box. These boxes are, maybe she does them like every 2 months, 3 months, something like that. She doesn't really have a schedule for them, and they're fun because you know exactly what you're getting. She'll show you each and every product. She takes like a few days to reveal one product every day of what's going to be in your box. It's usually very, very reasonable, very discounted. And many times we get some brand new products that have not even been released, that are just getting released. They're fun. They really are a great box. And I love the fact that it's not a mystery box because you know exactly what you're getting. I skipped some that I already own a lot of the brands in there, or like the last one that she did before this one. It had a lot of products that I either wasn't interested in because they were like skincare, hair care, things like that. But yeah, they're really, really good. So most of the while they do a takeover box, which means that everything in that box is from one brand. They've done e.l.f., they've done Tatcha, and the Tatcha one I missed, and I could have kicked myself for it afterwards. One of those regrets that, why didn't you get a girl? But anyways, this time it's a takeover from a brand new brand. This is a body care brand. They have shampoos and they have fragrance sprays that you can use on your hair or your body. They have body butters and body lotions. I'll show you because we got like a little bit of everything in this box. The name of the brand is called Lazy Turtle, and they look very tropical. Like I said, they're brand new. I think they just started releasing their products in July. So right around the time that this box was put together, I think we're one of the first people that were able to try this brand. So it was exciting. When she first started showing what products were to be included, I was planning on skipping it because I own so much body care and shampoos and body lotions and, you know, bath gels. So I really didn't need any of it. But at the same token, I wanted to see if it was anything similar to like Fleur or like Sol de Janeiro or something like that. So I was intrigued. So this is the box. It's very, very heavy. It comes very nicely packaged. I have never received anything broken. However, I did get in this box because I wanted to try all the products so I can give you a little better idea and tell you how I feel about them compared to some of the products that I already love, okay? In the same kind of line. So they also had a code that you could use, that you could get a, they call it a travel bag, I think it was. Okay, this is the travel bag. Not a very big bag. It's nice. This is something, I mean, you can put like, if you're at the beach or something, you can put like your sunscreen, lip balm, something like that. I mean, it's not a humongous bag, but it's okay, and it was free. So I appreciate it. It's very, very nice. Now, when I opened this box, it smelled amazing. I couldn't put the products back in the box so they would fit. So I was watching my friend Ravie from the Brutally Honest Beauty, and she unboxed it, and I took a screenshot where she showed the box so that I knew exactly how to put it back. And it worked. I was able to fit everything in. I will link her video below. If you guys have not subscribed to her, you don't know who she is, you need to check it out. She's amazing. She loves indie brands. She loves a lot of bright eyeshadows and looks, and she does a great job, and she is brutally honest. So, and I love that about her. But she's a great friend, very supportive, and I really do appreciate her. But anyways, back to this. So let's start with, this is called the Tropical Splash Hair and Body Mist, and I got mine in Coco Colada. And this is supposed to be, you know, like coconut. Does it smell like coconut colada to me? Not really. This sounds terrible, but this kind of smells a little bit like popcorn to me. And now they had different scents, and not everyone got the same scent. So like Ravie could have gotten a different scent. My friend Rena, she hasn't put her video up yet, but I believe she got a different scent than I did. But this one I wasn't crazy about. It's not the type of scent that I would enjoy. Now their products range from $19 to $21 from what I could see on their website. And like this, the mist is $19 for 3.5 fluid ounces. So it's not my favorite scent. This is not anything that I would wear. It's not my type of scent. I hate to say it, but it smells like popcorn to me. And it was not very long lasting. I used all of this in one day. Like I took a bath and I shampooed my hair. I used everything. And to me, it didn't last that long on my body. Now, I'm the type of person that I can spray any perfume, regardless of what it is, even if it's Chanel, Dior, whatever. And I can smell it when I put it on for about a half an hour to an hour. And then after that, I don't smell it, but other people can smell it. When I used this, I was home with my husband. I was sitting next to him watching TV. He never said he could smell anything. I got the same Coco Colada in the body butter. And I think this is the only scent that they have in the body butter. Now this body butter is different than, say that 5 times really fast, than most of the ones that I've used. This is like very thick. Like the Sol de Janeiro is kind of like a little more whipped, a little softer. This one is super thick. I mean, I don't know. Not my favorite formula for a body butter. I like something that is more, yes, I like it to be rich and thick, but I don't want it to be, I don't know, this feels like, look, I'm going like this. I'm not picking anything up on my finger. You really have to dig in there. It almost feels bouncy when you go in there and there's nothing on my finger. So again, this smells like popcorn to me. And it's funny because I watched my friend Julie. She also unboxed hers, and I'll link hers below also, her video. And she thought this smelled like popcorn too. And I had already tried it when I watched her video, and I thought I was crazy and I was the only one that was smelling the popcorn smell. But no. So is it my favorite body butter? No. I will probably pass it along because I have more body butters that are really, boy, body butters. Yes, I have more body butters that are in my collection that I really do love and enjoy more than this. I know I would not pick this up. So both of these I'm probably going to pass them along to somebody else. Okay, and then we have the Smooth Sailing Hand and Body Lotion, and this is in Strawberry Citrus. Now this I liked. This I liked. It is not a super thick formula. I mean, it doesn't run, but it's nice. And this one is in Strawberry Citrus. I like this scent. This one smells more like strawberries and citrus to me, but it's like strawberries with a little bit of tartness. And I like this because it got absorbed into my hands. It doesn't make them oily, or you know how sometimes you put lotion on your hands and it's like, I can't pick anything up now because everything is going to, yeah, I'm going to drop everything because my hands feel so, I don't like that. I don't like hand lotions that leave my hands feeling greasy and like I can't touch anything for a while until it gets absorbed. This gets absorbed. It makes your hands feel soft. It's nice. I like the scent. I like this one. This one is a plus for me. I'll enjoy this. And you get 6.7 fluid ounces. And this one was, the hand lotion is $19. You know, is it too much for a hand lotion? I don't know. But it's a big one. You get a lot. So that's going to last a long time. Okay, the next thing is the Soft Sands Body Scrub. And this is supposed to smell like sun-kissed sugar. Again, I used it. It was okay. I don't know. Is it my favorite body scrub? No. I like the Tree Hut. To me, that's a really good body scrub with amazing scents. They have such good scents. I actually have one coming my way. I don't know. This feels, it does have the scrubbies, but even when I used it and I rinsed I used it like on my arms and my legs. I like the body scrub. So when you rinse your body, it kind of leaves like, it looks moisturized. It looks, you know, like it has like a little bit of glow on your skin. And this didn't give me that. So, and it smells like coffee to me. It doesn't smell like sugar to me. I don't know. Some people say it does smell like burnt sugar or something. It smells like coffee. I don't know. I don't know. I don't care for the scent. Okay, so I went and I rinsed it off. Do you see any kind of glow on my hand? I don't see anything. It just doesn't feel like, it doesn't feel luxurious on your skin when you rinse it off. I like, you know, most body scrubs have like a body oil in it, and when you rinse it off, your body feels like, I don't know, if your skin feels good. It has like a little bit of glow. It feels moisturized. I don't feel like I get that with this. I don't really care for that either. Well, I'm doing really good, aren't I? You guys know me. I will tell it like it is. The body wash was in a strawberry citrus. Again, this is a scent that I like, so I will use this. And body wash is okay. It smells really nice. It's kind of milky. It's not a clear one. I don't know if you can see. I don't want to put some out, but it's a little milky. It's nice. It, you know, it lathers. Not crazy lather, but it does lather. I like a body wash that lathers, unless I'm using like a body wash oil. Then those, I know what I'm dealing with. If it has oil in it, sometimes you don't get a lot of lather, but you get more of the hydration and it moisturizes your skin better. But if I'm getting just a regular body gel, I want it to lather. Now I have to say that this didn't bother me in my sensitive areas, and sometimes with some body gels that I get like at Target or something like that, I do have a problem with that if I use it in certain areas of my body, and this did not bother me. So this is a nice thing, and this is supposed to be like a clean brand that doesn't have any of the nasty, you know, ingredients that some brands that you can get at a store may have. So this one was nice, and I will use that one. Okay, then I tried the shampoo and the conditioner. This is the Restore and Repair conditioner and the Coastal Cleanse shampoo. They're both in the scent Mango Papaya. Now this one smelled really nice. It smells nice. It smells, I don't know, maybe more mango. Let me see. Maybe more, well, like a combination of both, I guess. I can smell a little bit of the papaya also. It smells nice. I like the way it smells. And I like a shampoo that has a nice scent. Okay, this one, it lathered nice. It was fine. Okay, it was fine. I will use it. My hair felt soft. I didn't put any product on it when I was done, because once my hair dried, I was going to do my hair treatment. So I normally don't put any kind of hair products when I wash it. I'm going to do the hair treatment. So I didn't do anything like that. I just used these two products and let it air dry. Now my hair didn't look shiny, and I like for my hair to have a little bit of shine. Now my hair did feel soft, and when I combed through it, when it was still wet, it was detangled. So I have to give it that. It did soften my hair. It was, I mean, I don't have that much hair, so I don't get a lot of tangles, but I do get a few knots here and there because my hair is curly. And this, it was fine. I will use these. Not immediately. This will be something that I will put it as a backup if I run out of my shampoo. I'm not going to give up my favorite shampoo for this, because even though it's nice, it's not something that I would say I would buy it again. So of all the products, the ones that I like the most are going to be the hand lotion. I did like the body gel. And the shampoo is okay. It's just something that I would tell you, you guys need to go try it. It's up to you. I mean, it's a little less expensive than like Kopari or Fleur, or I don't know if Fleur has body. Cyclar. Oh my gosh, you guys. Cyclar has the best scents. They're so good. Their hand and body lotions are amazing. Anyways, we're not going there. So those brands may be a little more expensive than this, but this is not drugstore priced either. If I wanted to get good body products for $10 or less, I will go Tree Hut. You cannot go wrong with Tree Hut. You have so many options of body butters and scrubs. You can't go wrong with them, and they're all like $8.99 at Target. So why go anywhere else? Really, you don't need it. But if you like to splurge or something like that, like Sol de Janeiro, I would stick with them, even though they're a little more expensive, or the Kopari. I think they're worth it. I think the scents last longer on me. I think they're more pleasant scents. I'm not the fruity kind of person either. I like more gourmand, vanilla, warm scents. So this could be part of the problem. And, you know, I'm not telling you that they're bad. I'm just saying that they're not my favorite. So, you know, it's up to you. I just think that for the price or just a little bit more, you can have more options, better options. I don't know. I don't want to. I wish them the best of luck. And the products are not bad. It's just not my favorite. It's not something that I would repurchase, any of it. Even this that I like, what is the body lotion. It's okay. It's good. I will use it. But it's not anything that I will repurchase. I love the packaging, how colorful they are, the tropical looks. If you heard my phone ding, I'm sorry. I'm waiting for a call and I didn't want to turn it off totally. I lowered it, but anyway, sorry. Anyway, the price was $39. The value of the box was $143. Am I glad I tried it? Absolutely. Did I get $39 worth? Absolutely. Would I spend $143? No. No, I would not. But for $39, I think this is a very nice box. I'm glad I tried it. I like it. I'm not wowed. And it's not anything. If somebody said, Claire, can you recommend to me mid-range body products, scrubs, lotions? This is not the brand I would go to. I would probably say Kopari. I would say Sol de Janeiro. I would say Tree Hut. Depending on your budget, what you want to do. But anyways, this is how I feel about it. Not trying to be negative, but you guys know that I am honest. I'm not going to sit here and tell you that it's amazing. You know, you need to go check out the products because I think that we're having a sale after they launched this box. I just don't feel like it's for everybody. Anyways, I don't know if they're going to be sold at different stores or if it's only online. I didn't see anything like that. And this is something I wouldn't blind buy. I would want to try it and make sure that you like it. Now, like I said, the scents on me, I could not smell them like after an hour. Now, I asked Rena because I know she tried hers too. She said she could smell hers for a couple of hours. I don't know. So that could be me, the way that my nose works or doesn't work. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is a bonus video that I wanted to just, you know, review this box. I will still post my regular beauty videos this week. I love you. Thank you for being here, and I will see you on my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.